Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss May 1st, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. Name the state which has launched fee reimbursement scheme for students, namely Jagananna Vidya Dheevena. It was implemented by Andhra Pradesh state. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy launched a scheme Jagananna Vidya Divena with an outlay of rupees 4,000 crore to provide full fee reimbursement to about 14 lakh college students, including those in professional. The main objective of the scheme is providing help to the financial weak students who want to study but unable to do so because of lack of financial. This scheme will help to more to them, and also this scheme, the main objective, the another main objective of this scheme is to promote higher education in the state and also to encourage the youngsters for further education. And Chief Minister of AP is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Bhushan Harichandan. Next question. The Government of India has established International Financial Services Center Authority to regulate all financial services in international financial service centers in the country. Where will be the headquarters of IFSCA located? It was located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. International Financial Services Authority IFSCA, it is an unified body to regulate all financial services in international financial service centers, that is IFSCS, in the country, and its headquarters is located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Okay, next question. Recently in April 2020, Indian has extended $150 million foreign currency swap support to which among the following country? It is Maldives. Coronavirus, that is COVID-19, is causing terrible havoc in the country and the world at this time. In this situation, India is coming forward to help to some countries in fighting the coronavirus 19. In this sequence, India has extended $150 million foreign currency swap to support the Maldives to help and also to reduce the impact of this virus. If you talk about Maldives, its capital is Malé and currency is Maldivian rupiah. President is Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. Next question. Union Minister of Environment, Forecast and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar participated in 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue 2020. Name the country which hosts this dialogue since 2010. It is Germany. Union Minister of Environment, Forests and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar participated in first virtual, which is 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue 2020 along with 30 other countries' representatives and ministers. It has been hosted by Germany since 2010 to provide a forum for informal high-level political discussions which focus mainly on climate negotiations and advancements of climate action. It was co-chaired by Germany and the co-chaired member is in UK. If you talk about Germany, its capital is Berlin and currency is euro. About UK, its capital is London, currency is pound. Next question. Which state government has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana scheme to boost up the immunity system of people to fight against this coronavirus? That is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana scheme to boost the immunity system of people to fight against this disease. The main aim of this Jeevan Amrit Yojana, the state government will freely distribute an Ayurvedic product called Trikut Churna means three peppers prepared by an Ayush department, the department of the state in collaboration with Lagu Manopaj Sangh in the areas with corona infection. The things that are used in this Trikut Churna are black pepper, Indian long pepper, and a ginger. The main target has been set to distribute this packet of 50 grams to 1 crore families of the state. To talk about Madhya Pradesh, its capital is Bhopal and CM is Sivaraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalji Tandon. Next question. Which among the following is world's first airline which conducts rapid antibody tests to its passengers? It is Emirates. Next question. The Asian Development Bank has approved to provide $346 loan for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? That is Maharashtra. If you talk about an Asian Development Bank, its headquarters located in Mandaluyong, Philippines. Membership countries are 68 countries. President is Masatsugu Ashkawa. If you talk about Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Next question. What will be India's growth forecast for the calendar year 2020 as per the report titled Global Macro Outlook 2020 and 21 released by Moody? That is 0.2%. If you talk about Moody's Corporation, headquarters located in New York, US. President and CEO is Raymond Whitehead, MC Daniel. Next question. GDP growth rate estimates by various agencies for India for the financial year 2021 is I have given the list of some of GDP growth rate estimates. First one is India ratings. It is decreased 2.1% to 1%, and CII means Confederation of India, it is decreased by from 0.9% to 1%, and Nomura decreased by 0.5%. Fitch rating is 0.8%. Goldman Sachs is 1.6%. World Bank is 1.5% to 2.8%. It is slightly increased. IMF is 1.9% and Asian Development Bank is 4%. Okay, next question. Credit rating agency CRISIL has reduced India's economic growth rate for financial 2021 to 1.8%. If you talk about CRISIL, chairman is John L. Beresford, CEO is Ashushu Yash, president and business head is Gurpreet Chatwal, headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Next question. Name the former finance secretary who has been appointed as the chairman of Public Enterprises Selection Board for 3 years. He is Rajiv Kumar. If you talk about this Public Enterprises Selection Board, chairman is Rajiv Kumar and director is Kailash Ratnao. Secretary is Kim Buyong Kipjen. Next question. Suresh N. Patel has been appointed as the Vigilance Commissioner in Central Vigilance Commission. He is former chief of which bank? He is former chief of an Andhra bank. If you talk about an Andhra bank, MD and CEO is Pikri Swamy, headquarters located in Hyderabad. Next question. Neeraj Vyas has been appointed as MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank Housing Limited Finance Limited. Where is the headquarters located? It is located in New Delhi. Recently, some banks are merged. They are SBI is the largest PSB. Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India has been merged with PNB. And Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank has been merged with Bank of Baroda. Syndicate Bank is merged with Canara Bank, and Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank is merged with Union Bank of India. Allahabad Bank is merged with Indian Bank. These are the 7 public sector banks which has been merged. And SBI is the largest public sector bank. Next one. J. Arjun Kumar from Karnataka has been appointed as the head coach of which national men's cricket team? He is appointed as USA national team for cricket. He is appointed as a coach for USA national men's cricket team. Next one. External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar has been attended the BRICS Foreign Minister Summit recently. Who is the current chairman of BRICS? Current chairman is Russia. BRICS means Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. The foreign ministers meeting on coronavirus was held through video conferencing, which was opened by Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. It should be noted that Russia is chairman of BRICS for 2020. Next one. Name the Indian state which topped in terms of total installed renewable capacity in financial year 20 as per the CRISIL research report. It is Karnataka. Here total installed renewable capacity in megawatts. Here I have given a table. In that Karnataka stood first position with 15,232 megawatts, and Tamil Nadu occupies second position with 14,347 megawatts, and third position is Gujarat with 10,586 megawatts. If you talk about CRISIL, headquarters located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, MD and CEO is Ashu Suyash. Chairman is John Beresford. Next one. Name the asteroid which passed through the Earth within 3.9 million miles as per NASA. It is asteroid 1999 OR2. If you talk about NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, headquarters located in Washington DC, administered is James Frederick Jim Bretton. Next one. The scientist of which institute has developed an Alzheimer's inhibitor called BERD? It is Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research located in Bangalore, Karnataka. A team of scientists led by Professor T. Govindarazu at the Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, a multidisciplinary research institution located at Bangalore, Karnataka, has developed Alzheimer's inhibitor called BERD. A modified the structure of berenine, a natural and cheap product similar to curcumin found in India and China. Next one. With which app the MyGov has partnered to support the central government efforts against the spread of coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic? That is VMET. My Government of India has been launched on VMET to provide the official information related to novel coronavirus outbreak and efforts being made to control this impact. Next one. The scientist of which IIT has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of suspected patient? That is IIT Roorkee. Kamal Jain, professor at Civil Engineering Department of IIT Roorkee of Uttarakhand, has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of the suspected patient. Okay. If you talk about IIT Roorkee, director is Ajit K. Chaturvedi. Next one. CSIR, Central Food Technology Research Institute, provides protein-enriched biscuits to COVID-19 patients. Where is CSIR, Central Food Technology Research located? It is located in Mysore. Okay, next one. Name the country which will host 2021 Men's World Boxing Champion. Because of termination of agreement, India lost hosting rights. That is Serbia. The International Boxing Association terminated an agreement with India which was signed in 2017, which resulted in losing of hosting rights of 2021 Men's World Boxing Champion by the later Serbia took place this. The reason behind this termination is inability of Boxing Federation of India to pay the host fees of $4 million due on December 2nd, 2019. Now India would have to pay a cancellation penalty of certain US dollars. Okay, if you talk about Boxing Federation of India, headquarters located in New Delhi. President is Ajay Singh. Secretary General is Jay Kauri. If you talk about AIBA, headquarters located in Lausanne, Switzerland. Interim President is Mohammad Mustani. AIBA means International Boxing Association. Okay, if you talk about Serbia, capital is Belgrade, currency is Serbian dinar, president is Alexander Vučić. Next one, Indian women's team has qualified for ODI Women's World Cup 2021. Name the country which is going to host this tournament. That is in New Zealand. Next one, name the person who has authored the book titled Shayaji Rao Gaikwad III, Maharaja of Baroda. That is Uma Balasubramaniam. Okay, next one. Irfan Khan, who passed away recently, is an actor. Famous Bollywood star Irfan Ali Khan, who was international movie career including hits such as Slumdog Millionaire, Life of Pi and Amazing Spider-Man etc., passed away at the age of 53 due to colon infection in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He had been battling neuroendocrine cancer since 2018. Okay, next question. When was the World Dance Day celebrated every year? It is celebrated every year on April 29th. Every year on April 29th, the International Dance Day has been celebrated since 1982 by the International Dance Committee IDC of International Theatre Institute ITI to educate the people on the various dance forms around the world. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. If you want the PDF, please go through my Telegram channel. I have given the link below. Please go through that and download the PDF from that channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.